channel, Cheffin with Zoe, and today we're doing a crab boil. And there's two parts of this video. It's me making the crab boil and me eating it, and you're gonna know a little bit about me. So let's get started. So, if you're wondering why we have a big pot of boiling water, it's because we're gonna make the crab oil out of it. So, we're gonna boil it and season it. So, this is the first seasoning, which is right here. Or like this. Wait. You saw it. So let's just drop it right in. Or put it right in. Oh, make sure to have hot water. So then we're gonna add some garlic. I'm just gonna get my little spoon. Smells a little strong. And that's it. That's all you need. And adobo. You can basically use all of this inside the cup. Now we're gonna add Cajun seasoning. Now we're gonna add Obey. Smells good. Now we're gonna add garlic powder. Smells like the other garlic. And those are all the seasonings. So now we're gonna boil it. So guys, you can either use broth or you can use regular water. So now we're gonna add a whole onion. Pour it in. Don't want you to burn yourself because it's the water is really hot. And we're gonna add a whole lemon. And we're gonna add half of these red little potatoes, small potatoes. I think those should be enough. So now we're gonna boil it. See you guys when we finish boiling, so you can see me put inside the crab. So guys, the water is boiling, so I'm gonna tell you what kind of crabs I have. I have a king crab. Looks good, right? And also I have soft crab. I meant snow crab. Smells good, even though it's not cooked. So now, we're gonna put it in. So guys, now we're gonna make the special Zori sauce, why the crabs are boiling. So what we're gonna need is Cajun, melted butter, unsalted, put this inside, hot sauce, red pepper, garlic, Cajun. Red pepper flakes. Lemon pepper. Garlic. Adobo. And now we're gonna whisk. Looks good. As you can see, it's turning red. So guys, our boil is all done. Our sauce is all done. This is what it should look like. So we cooked the shrimp separately. We cooked the sausage separately. The corn separately. What you're gonna put inside the shrimp is obey and garlic. So this is what it should look like. Looks good, right? So we're about to pour this sauce. So I'm gonna mix it around so it can taste good. But if the sauce doesn't look like this, you might have missed a stop or you didn't mix it that good. If you didn't use another ingredient that you're supposed to use, go back where we were putting the sauce, doing the sauce. So let's pour it like a drizzle. Make sure not to get it on the lemons. Looks good, right? Ooh, can't wait to eat. So that should be all done. So guys, I have the crab oil and I have some things that I can use with the crabs. A butter knife, you can scoop all the crab meat out, and a knocker to get those crab shells out, and obviously the questions I'm going to be answering. Some butter, I melted regular, and the butter we made just a minute ago. And we have some obey right here, and some napkins, and you can pick your drink of your choice. And also a bowl to put all of your crab shells in. So let's get started. So I'm gonna squeeze the lemon. Ooh, really good. Let's crack that shell. It's getting ready, so we're gonna get off that crab. Ooh, look at that meat. Potato. So let's try a potato real quick. That is good. Like a salsa. Sausage, good. Shrimp. Good shrimp. Let's try the corn. So, so I'm gonna pick a card from the thing. So let's go pick it. Princess or mermaid? So I have to be a princess because I like crowns and stuff. I like them. It's really cool. So I'm gonna try some crab. Look at this. And look at this one. Cool. So put some butter. Really good. So let's pick a new card. What we got here? What was your best vacation? My birthday vacation, New York. That was really fun. What I did was I my family went to a big toy store and we went to a big candy shop. It's really fun. Not question. What's your favorite TV show? That is really easy. It's Bunked and Jessie. It's my 2 favorite shows. I wish, as you can see, Bunked and Jessie were like close to together because half of Jessie came in to Bunked. Another card. What would you superpower be? My superpower would be love to spread kindness around the world. Scrape that on a potato. Another card. So what we got here is, what is your hobby? My hobby is ballet, gymnastics, and piano. I love piano. Let's try another one. Christmas or birthdays? Now that is a hard one. Probably Christmas. I like Christmas a lot. Why? Because it's a special day, so you can and your family have fun and stuff. What's your favorite color? That is either pink or gold. Sometimes it switches. Gold goes in the front and pink goes in the back. I don't know, sometimes. So I'm gonna try the crab for the first time with the spicy butter sauce. So let's try it. Let's see if it's good. It's okay. Tastes good. Gonna squeeze a little lemon on this. Okay, let's pick another card real quick. Winter or summer? That is hard because in the summer you get to relax. In the winter you get to, it's my birthday. So I don't know. But probably winter because it's my birthday. This is good. I'm gonna pick another card. So let's see what it is. What are your talents? My talents is ballet and piano and everything else I just said with hobbies. So yeah, that's my talents and hobbies. I played piano like 4 times. So I'm gonna try the last one. Ooh. How old are you? You're gonna find out how old am I. I am 9 years old. So guys, that's the end of this video. I'm gonna finish up this delicious meal. So now you know how to make it yourself at home. So bye guys, subscribe and like the video and share to tell people how to cook it. Bye guys.